Y'all ready? Let's go. Woo!
Yeah. Started from the mud, now you see us going up. Numbers never lie, now you see us blowing up. People used to front, now you see them showing up. So what's up? I've been down and out, but look, keep it a buck, I don't. Always been one up on all of these. They be trying to front for all of these. I ain't got time cause they all in they feelings. Ice of the gang and we making a killing. It's 2020.
And like today, like my PS4 crashed like twice, so I was like, holy shit, that giveaways today.
Yeah.
I'm gonna support my boy and just buy it. I was like, what do I have to lose?
Yeah.
And then, oh my god, it's alright. Okay,
yeah, man.
No, I see it now.
Yeah, I know it sucks, man, but like I said,
No. The confusion's gone now. Like I can see it now. Now we're good. No, I'm all good. Like no pole like that he clearly won. Like all good.
Yeah, man.
It's all good. Alrighty, brother. Well, awesome talking to you.
Yeah, man. I'll stay in touch, bro, for sure. So look, y'all just watched that last live. We did wheelofnames.com. We spun the wheel and like it landed on the worst possible spot ever. Y'all see that? So it landed on Alan, but barely. So I was just on the phone right now with Henry, and he was pissed, man. I mean, at first he was, because from this far it looks like it's on his name, you know. But you know, a good thing on the website I can zoom in. So right now I'm gonna get ready. We're gonna head to Alan's house. The winner. We're gonna head to Alan's house, man, and then I'm gonna give him the PS5 right here. So yo. So congratulations to Alan for winning this. Y'all gonna see his reaction. That's why I wanted to make this video, so y'all can see his reaction, man. Yo, that was a close one. Anyway, man, let's go.
A few minutes later.
Yo, I just arrived at the winner's house. This is his Mustang right here. So good thing about this giveaway, not a lot of people actually bought the jackets. So the people who did are either people who are really close to me, like my friends, or like for him, he's in my car crew, or for others, my co-workers. So very people who are close to me actually got into this giveaway. So picking one winner out of all those people, 11 people, I knew it was gonna be tough no matter who won, because they're all my friends. But there's a bunch of kids over there playing, so we're gonna try to sneak it in. I don't want him to have all these kids knocking on his door. They want to play it, so we're gonna try to figure it out. They put up some cool lights. So I just texted him and told him I'm here. So I'm just waiting, man. Patiently waiting. I probably should have backed in over there and put it in the trunk so we can put it in the house easier. Right here.
That's so crazy, bro.
It's very heavy, right?
Yeah, it's pretty heavy actually.
Yeah, congrats, man.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
It's real big actually compared to what I thought it was gonna be.
Right? It's heavy.
What was that?
Tell him what.
I won it. Yeah, I won from a giveaway.
The neighbors know now. Alright, man.
Alright, man. How was the drive, by the way?
It wasn't bad. 99 the whole way.
Yeah, that's what I usually take, 99 all the way here.
Yeah.
You gonna start heading out?
Yeah, I'm gonna head out, man.
Alright, man. It was nice seeing you, man.
Yo, congratulations,
you,
man. Yo, the thing is, like, everybody that was in there is everybody I know. My coworkers, my friends, you know? So, and it was kind of hard because there can only be one winner.
Yeah. When I first entered, I'm like, there's no way I'm gonna win because I knew it was gonna be sold.
Yeah.
I'm like, damn. But I really didn't care about my chances.
Oh, okay.
I like the jacket of yours, to be honest with you. That
okay.
jacket, I like it a lot.
Have you got it yet?
No, I haven't
not
received it yet. So I've just been waiting.
Okay. It'll probably be delivered in about a day or something, or 2 days.
That's fine.
Yeah.
I haven't been looking at the tracking because I've been getting a lot of Christmas gifts coming through the mail.
Okay. All right, man. Congrats, man.
Thank you, man.
It's crazy, you know. It's gonna be hard, kind of like. I know my friends are going like, yeah.
It is gonna be crazy. Yeah, I was telling my friends about it too.
Yeah.
They were so shocked.
They didn't believe it?
They didn't believe me at all. I'd be like,
Yeah.
send photos when you get it. I'm like, all right.
Yeah. All right, man.
All right, Ted. You stay safe out there, man.
You too, man. Congrats.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. All right, y'all. And just like that, it's over. I just delivered it to the new owner, man. Whew, this was a close one, but definitely more to come. Y'all gonna see more giveaways coming soon. As always, guys, stay tuned for the next video. Peace.